Yes, she's back in the atmosphere with drops of Jupiter in her head.
Hello YouTubers, well we're back again. Just a little bit of an update here. I've had these semaphores which came with the car. Now the time had come for me to get them to start to work, but I've been having a few problems. Anyway, I got into it, I cleaned them out and put a bulb in, and have a look at this. Wow, look at that. So I've got a little LED up in there, and that's one of them. That's how they're supposed to go, just like that. And then as they sit in the car, the gravity will bring them down. Right, so that's one side. So here's the other. This is the other side. Here we go. Oh, wrong way around. There we go. How cool is that? Working semaphores. Thanks. Okay YouTubers, once again, here we are. Now, these are the original snowflake lights that come with it. So, what we've got is an LED that goes with them. There. And then the other side is only half working for some reason. What's going on there? Oh, there we go. All seems to be good now. So you can see, that's the parkers, that's the brakes and the parkers, and that's the brakes. Pretty cool, eh?